Oh yeah, Thursday, April 10th, baby. Yeah, motherfuckers are fatty. Yeah, boy. Yeah, yeah, buddy. Just trying to get a picture. Anyways, you know where I'm at. April 10th, Thursday, 2014. This is what you do when you get off of work early. You go pop a fatty. Woo! Yeah, pop a fatty. Big girl. All right, we're going to let her roll. We're going to let her live another day. So you know how we do it. Catch and release. We be catching them 24/7. Woo! Yeah. She's good to go. That's how we do it. All right, everybody. Good times. Keep fishing. And hope you like my corny videos. All right. Peace.